Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I'm standing here in front of a nice rack of bananas that is up high, and we're going to bring it down without a ladder the easy way. So let's get on with it. Okay, first I removed the supports. Now, you can see I cannot cut the stalk, so I have to bring it down if I don't want to get on ladder, and this is how it's done. Take your saw, go ahead and get your banana plant, give it a little cut. Okay, now I have it to where I can pull it down. Real gentle. You can see I still have it in my hand. Okay, so I brought the whole plant down so the banana rack is laying down so I don't damage it and I don't fall off the ladder. And now it's going to be easy to cut the stalk off of the plant. Okay. Yeah. Here's a beautiful banana rack. I don't know, probably about 65 pounds, really heavy. Would have been impossible to do it from a ladder. So when you get a nice banana rack that weighs a lot, bring down the plant real gentle so it's on the ground, does not damage the bananas, cut the stalk off, and now you got the rack. You can pick it up and bring it to your house. This is really heavy, so I'm going to go ahead and get my tractor so I don't have to lug it all the way down there. Okay, so hey, this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I went ahead and harvested a nice banana rack, a real heavy banana rack, the easy and the safe way. Hope you enjoyed my video. Give me a like, give me a share. Come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. Subscribe to my channel while you're at it. See you soon.